Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na to reaction video ang performance ng Team Alab, which is Froilan versus H. Tama ba ako? H? So kakantahin ni Froilan is Tukso. Wow, so medyo rock pala ito. And at the same time, kay H naman is Have I Told You Lately That I Love You? Parang magkaiba. Parang magkaiba yung genre, the texture of the voice. But let's check it out. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tingnan natin. Arak! Kaya pala tukso. Ay, grabe yung growl. Grabe yung growl ng boses niya. Froilan. Froilan si Delia. Okay. Sige nga. Let's check it out. Tukso o tukso layuan mo ako. Ganun ang peg nila. Parang late siya, no? Parang late? Ay, hindi. I don't know. Sige nga. Imelda Papin, right? Okay. Ganda ng flow. Grabe yung angas. Wala nga ng vibrato.
Ay hindi pa dadaig sa tuksong kay rami na winasak na damdamin.
Okay. Oh, transition. Wow. 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 Grabe. Ang ganda na pagka-huskiness ng boses niya. Okay, pero magaling din kasi si H. Sa kanta na lang to nagkakatalo eh. Sa kanta na lang talaga. Wait. Ito na, si H. Oh, alam na. H to. Okay. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, the emotion. Okay. 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 Si Ivory nakapula na naman.
Feel my life without
Oh my God, ang ganda. Michael Bolton ang atake. Very Michael Bolton.
my promise, that's what you do.
Oh my God, very Michael Bolton, no?
There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the soul. Can't take enough to tell.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
We should give thanks and pray to the one, to the
Oh my God, very Michael Bolton. Nice. Oh. Yes. He ate and left no crumbs, indeed.
Can't take enough to tell. We should give thanks and pray to the one. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Yes.
I told
You lately
that
have
I love
love you.
Have I told there's no one else above you, Lord? You fill my heart with gladness.
Galing, galing, galing.
Take away all
My sadness. Maganda siya. H ako for today's video. H.
that's what you
Alright. Oh my God. Anyways, there you go guys. It is for today's video which is Froilan versus H. Oh my God. H ako. H talaga ako. Ang layo ng difference. For me, H talaga. Dinaan tayo sa parehas ng quality ang boses the texture of the voice. Pero dinaan talaga tayo sa emotions. Storytelling ang atake. Right? This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!